ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। जय श्री सीता माता। जय श्री रामचंद्र जी। Janki Jayanti Katha in English. Janki Jayanti is celebrated on the Ashtami Tithi of Krishna Paksha Falgun month. As per beliefs, on this day Mother Janki, that is Mother Sita, appeared. Mother Sita is known for her sacrifice, dedication and womanly duty. On the day of Janki Jayanti, a fast is observed to fulfill the wish of a happy married life. On completion of the fast, special prayers are offered to Mother Sita and Sri Ram, and the story of Mother Janki is read or heard. This day holds special significance for married women. Birth story of Mother Janki. As per the Ramayana composed by sage Valmiki, once there was a severe drought in the state of Mithila, and King Janak, troubled, organized a yajna for this problem. The sage performed the yajna and plowed the land. King Janak started plowing, and then he found a beautiful box inside the earth, inside which there was a beautiful girl. King Janak did not have any child then. As soon as King Janak took that girl in his hands, he felt the love of a father. Janakji accepted that girl as his daughter. This girl was none other than Mata Sita. Another popular story. There is another popular story related to the birth of Mata Sita. According to this, Mata Sita is the daughter of Lankapati Ravan and Mandodari. Sita ji was the reincarnation of a woman named Vedvati. Vedvati was an ardent devotee of Sri Hari Vishnu and wanted to have him as her husband. For this wish, she started rigorous penance. According to the belief, one day Ravan saw Vedvati doing penance in the forest and was fascinated by her beauty. He asked Vedvati Devi to come with him, which the goddess refused. When Ravan misbehaved, the goddess burnt herself and cursed Ravan that she would be born as his daughter and would be the cause of his death. After a few days, Mandodari gave birth to a girl child. But due to the fear of the curse, Ravan threw the girl into the sea as soon as she was born. Varuni, the goddess of the sea, handed over the girl to goddess Earth, and Earth placed the girl in the lap of King Janak and Mother Sunana. Later, that curse of goddess Vedvati came true, and the reason for Ravana's death was his kidnapping of Mother Sita. Janki Jayanti is also known as Sita Jayanti or Sita Ashtami. On this day, there is a ritual of worshipping Mother Sita and Lord Sri Ram. As per religious beliefs, this is the day on which Mother Sita appeared on earth. Janki Jayanti is celebrated on the Ashtami Tithi of Falgun month. According to mythology, it was on the Ashtami Tithi of month of Falgun that King Janak found Mother Sita and accepted her as his daughter. Janki Jayanti is celebrated as the birthday of Mother Sita. While this festival is celebrated in the month of Falgun in North India, this festival is celebrated in the month of Magh in Gujarat, Maharashtra and South Indian states. As per scriptures, the husband of any woman who observes fast and worships on this day is blessed with a long life. Apart from this, happiness always remains in married life. Not only this fast is also considered fruitful for childless couples because by observing this fast, one also gets a child. Goddess Sita is a symbol of female power, purity, sacrifice and patience, and her worship inspires one to imbibe these qualities. It is told in Hindu religious scriptures that Mother Sita is the reincarnation of Mother Lakshmi. By fasting on this day, worshipping Lord Ram and Mother Sita, one gets the blessings of Mother Lakshmi. By fasting and worshipping on this day, the married women remain happy. This was the story of Janki Jayanti. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Jai Shri Sita Ram.